Good evening. What is your name?
Uh, Good evening, sir. Myself, Ayush Srivastav. I am 27 years old. I was born in Siuni, Madhya Pradesh, from where I have done my high schooling.
You are appearing for which interview?
Sir, I am appearing for Niacl AO Health interview.
Oh, oh, legal. Correct. Okay, legal.
Not
Ve-
legal, sir. Health, sir. Health.
Health. Oh,
Yes, sir.
health. This is first interview or second interview?
This is first is interview, sir.
Acha. So please tell me about yourself.
Sir, myself, Ayush Srivastav. I was born in Siuni, Madhya Pradesh, from where I have done my high schooling from
Yeah.
Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Mm,
And I have done my BAMS, sir. I am that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery from
mm,
Government Ayurvedic College, Jabalpur. That is also in Madhya Pradesh.
mm,
Sir, my interests include fitness, playing badminton and lawn tennis, and watching travel vlogs.
mm-hmm.
Sir,
Very.
currently I am working in Imami Jhandu Care as a tele consultant in Noida.
Oh, Imami.
Sir, it is Jhandu Care. You have heard about
Ah,
Jhandu
yeah.
Balm. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is Ayurvedic company, Jhandu. I am
Mm.
working as a tele consultant there, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Are you able?
Imami is mother company, sir, and
Are
tele
you?
Jhandu is under Imami.
Yeah, are you able to hear me? Yeah. Very good.
Yes, sir. I am able to hear you.
Yeah. So what will you do in NIACL?
Sir, my role, sir, it is all about some claims. The profile of AO is all about medi uh, sorry, uh, assessing the Mediclaim policies, if it is eligible for the claims or not. And sir, or and it is all my job is also to provide sir, presenting the new products to the officer under their respective regional offices and give approvals to the proposals if I am working in regional office level.
Yes.
Sir, and
What
like handling and doing grassroots level work for big corporate companies.
what are the various health insurance policies our NIACL is giving?
Sir, that is Asha Kiran, sir. That's for Asha Kiran for women for providing health insurance to them, and one for sir cancer awareness. They are giving cancer awareness policy. Sorry, I forgot the exact name of that.
Hmm, that's all. Only two things you are remembering.
No, sir. One more policies there also, sir. I am not able to recall that right now.
So what are the principles of insurance?
Sir, insurance has seven principles. Uh, Insurable interest. Second is a principle of indemnity, principle of utmost good faith, and principle of contribution, principle of subrogation, principle of loss minimization, and one more is there, principle of casual proxima.
Good. Very good. You are remembering all the principles. I'm
Yes.
very happy about it. Now, um, s- so how would you like to explain about utmost good faith, principle of utmost good faith and the health claim
Uh,
policies? How will you explain?
yes, sir. In Hindi, it is called bharosa, means trust. That this principle is one of the backbone of insurance policy. Sir, in this, both parties should reveal all the material information between each other, and there is a they need to have some transparency between them in all such aspects. If they are asked about anything, they need to tell every each and everything about the policy or the term policy they are taking.
Mm, correct. Okay. Mm, what is meant by um, which type of insurance claims are not allowable in the case of health insurance policies? Hello, which type of insurance,
Don't know
which
about
type
this.
of claim, which type of claims are not allowable for pre-existing diseases? Claims made in
Uh,
respect of pre-existing. What do you?
sir,
Yeah,
sir, like claims, like if some. No, sir, I'm not able to answer that. Sorry, I will study more about it, sir.
that's what I said. It is pre-existing diseases.
Okay, pre-existing disease.
Yeah, what do you understand by that?
Uh,
Wow.
Pre-existing diseases, sir, diseases that are already present in any person's body, or that the person is suffering from that disease currently.
Before before taking
And
insurance,
any
yeah.
chronic disease a person is having in the current scenario, that's a pre-existing disease that is present in his or her body.
Acha, what is the nature of work you are now doing?
Sir, I am here a teleconsultant, sir. I am giving consultation online to the patients who have just booked the appointment uh, for their problem currently they are going through.
Which
We
type?
are providing sir, Ayurvedic consultants, sir. Ayurvedic medicines and the medicines of Jhandu care. I have to give treatment based on that medicine, but I have to diagnose the nature of disease.
But you are not a doctor. How can you give suggestion?
Sir, I am a doctor, sir, Ayurvedic doctor.
Oh, sorry, sorry. You are an Ayurvedic doctor. Good, good. That's correct. So, what
Yes,
are the
sir.
reasons on account of which heart attack comes?
Sir, it may be many, sir. Sometimes it's genetic. Sometimes that the problem of cholesterol, there is a term for no, sir, if there is a excessive cholesterol accumulation in the veins, blood vessels of the patient, and there is some sort of anxiety and shock that gives the that gives blood high blood pressure to patient, that causes that are the few reasons that causes the heart attacks.
Good, very good. You explained nicely. So, what is yoga and what is the usefulness of yoga for one's health?
Sir, yoga is the ancient practice. It's like a meditational practice. The concept of yoga is given by Maharshi Patanjali. Sir, in this, the all the seven senses of the body are to be balanced by the proper postures we are making. Different types of yogas are there, like Surya Namaskar, and different types of yogasanas are there. Like in Surya Namaskar, there are 12 asanas. Sir, in for different health issues, we have different type of yoga. Some of the names are, that is Vajrasan, that is Anulom Vilom Kapal Bharti, are such yoga practices that cures the patient in many chronic disorders.
Okay, tell me something about IRDAI.
Sir, IRDAI stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It is an autonomous and statutory body tasked with regulating and promoting the insurance and reinsurance in India, constituted by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. Sir, its headquarters is in Hyderabad, Telangana. Its current chairman of the organization is Mr. Debashish Panda. Chairman and the members of IRDAI is appointed by Government of India. There is 10 member bodies are currently in India in IRDAI.
Very good. Excellent. So what is the current affair news you are remembering?
Sir, that G20 and currently today there is a meeting in Dubai about the climate change action plan. Is COP28 is there, where our PM Modi is there for the meeting. Conference of Party 28 in Dubai.
Hmm.
They are hosting, but in their headlines, I have read that USA and China this time is not the part of the COP28,
Hmm.
and PM
Okay.
Modi just has given the statement regarding they want in 2028 they want climate action meeting in India too, just like as the G20 we have hosted currently recently in Delhi and different
Very,
parts of the India
very.
and sir, major as India is having the climate actions goal to be fulfilled in 2070, our zero pollution and zero or policies there. I just sorry, I just don't remember that name. Zero emission policies there. We have the target to be fulfilled in 2070. So, sir, it is playing a major role in our geopolitics as India is having its own stand, and now we are working towards the climate change. That is the need of the hour for our country right now.
Excellent. That's good. Now, what are the strengths you have, or you make a SWOT analysis yourself? Strength,
Uh,
weaknesses, opportunity, threat.
Sir, I think I am so determined if I have to do any work and I have the perseverance power. I don't, if I have to do something, then I will put my 100% in that work. Like I just realized that I am a very hardworking guy in every sense. I am doing currently. I am working. I'm putting my 100% there and I start when I was preparing for NEET in 2013. I don't have that much concept of a NEET preparation, but I determined and I prepared for that exam for 2 years, and I am not able to achieve that much, sir. Not able to get government MBBS seat, but now I have got the government college seats of Ayurvedic BAMS. So this quality I like about myself that if I am determined to do something, I don't think of result. It may be possible or not, but I will give my 100% to fulfill that dream of mine that I have to do this, no matters what.
Excellent. Now, please tell about your best friends.
Sir, currently I have college friends, sir, but I don't call them they as they are my best, but we have a good bonding and all. I have my colleague, I have my college friend here who is working with me in my same company. So we have such a good bonding, and we just share a friendly relationship between us. And
Mhm.
one of my school friend is there in my from my hometown. We never meet regularly. We are out for our studies far around 7 years back, but still when we met, sir, it's like we have the such a great understanding between us that we will have a great time together.
Excellent. That's good. Uh, yeah. Now, tell me that uh, you're now staying in
Sir, I
uh,
am currently in
Noida.
Noida, Uttar.
Noida.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to manage your expenses within the salary they are giving?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have joined recently around 20 days back. Before that, I was preparing for mains of NIACL. Then after I got the opportunity of this company, I just given the give the interview and I just shortlisted here. So, sir, it now currently it is manageable. I am able to manage things.
Mhm.
I haven't get my first salary yet. It
Mm.
is
What is
that
the
I will get on.
what is
Yes,
the
sir.
pay packet? What is the pay they are giving?
Yes, sir, it is around 7.5 lakhs per year, sir.
Oh, not a bad sum.
Sir, it's not that good, but it's fine.
No, no, it's really a good sum, Baba. 50,000 above per month is not a bad sum. Good.
Uh, yes, sir, but
Don't
for a
don't
doctor, it may be less.
true, but then doctor, when you sit alone in your pharmacy without any patient, what you will get?
It's a fact, sir. It's a fact, sir. One of the that it is a reason that I want to join any government organization for that, sir. Because for a BAMS candidate, it is a bit difficult to
How many
sustain and
how many BAMS graduates will come every year roughly in India?
Sir, there is many colleges, sir, because competition is increasing day by day, and they are having limited number of MBBS seats. So, second option the students are choosing nowadays is BAMS only. If
Should
they
they
get the
write
government,
should they write
uh,
NEET exam for this
yes, sir.
also?
Yes, sir. From NEET only, they we have the ranking, and after MBBS we have to fulfill the Ayush counseling. Ayush stands for Ayurveda, Yoga,
Hmm.
Unani, Naturopathy, and Homeopathy. That is
Hmm.
the Ministry of Ayush you have heard about. We have the Ayush counseling for that also. So
Who is
most
the
of
who is the minister in charge of that one? Ayush.
the Ministry of Ayush. Uh, sorry, sir.
No, no,
That
Minister of
I don't
Health.
remember.
Same Minister of Health.
Minister of Health is Mansukh Mandviya, sir. So,
Excellent. Excellent. So best wishes. What is your father? You said?
sir, my father works in a private Ayurvedic firm. Baidyanath, you have heard about Baidyanath company.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
He's working there as a worker. He's in manufacturing unit there. Sir.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Next interview. Have you taken your second interview date?
No, sir. I have not taken it yet, sir.
What is the date of your interview?
Sir, my interview is on 11th, sir.
So which date you want?
Sir, 7th or 8th, if it may be possible.
7th or 8th? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will stop this.